3.3 Dividing Polynomials Worksheet. So the first one is x squared plus 9x plus 18 divided by x plus 6. So x squared divided by x is x. X times x is x squared. X times 6 is 6x. Change the signs of the second polynomial. Positive 9x and a negative 6x is positive 3x. Bring down the next term. 3x divided by x is 3. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 6 is 18. Change the signs of the second polynomial. And we have 0 remainder. You can always check the problem by taking the quotient, x plus 3, multiplying by the divisor, x plus 6, and you'll get the dividend, x squared plus 9x plus 18. So take x cubed divided by x is x squared. X squared times x is x cubed. X squared times 1 is x squared. Change the signs of the second polynomial. X cubes give you 0. Negative 2x squared and negative 1x squared is negative 3x squared. Bring down the next term. A negative 3x squared divided by x is negative 3x. Negative 3x times x is negative 3x squared. Negative 3x times 1 is negative 3x. Change the signs of the second polynomial. The x squareds cancel out and give you 0. 2x plus 3x is 5x. Bring down the next term. 5x divided by x is 5. 5 times x is 5x. 5 times 1 is 5. Change the signs of the second polynomial. And again, we have a remainder of 0. 3x cubed divided by x is 3x squared. 3x squared times x is 3x cubed. 3x squared times 4 is positive 12x squared. Change the signs of the second polynomial. 3x squared minus 3x squared is 0. Positive 3x cubed minus 3x cubed is 0. 15x squared minus 12x squared is 3x squared. Bring down the next term. 3x squared divided by x is 3x. 3x times x is 3x squared. 3x times 4 is 12x. Change the signs of the second polynomial. 3x squared minus 3x squared is 0. Positive 14x minus 12x is 2x. Bring down the negative 29. 2x divided by x is 2. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 4 is 8. Change the signs of the second polynomial, and we have a remainder of negative 37. You can write this as negative 37 over the divisor of x plus 4. Okay, the next problem is done by synthetic division. So you're taking 4x minus 4 and setting it equal to 0 to get a root or a solution. So we get x is equal to 1. So 1 is the divisor. Then each of the coefficients, 8, 8, 8, and negative 24. Bring down the 8. 1 times 8 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 1 times 16 is 16. 8 and 16 is 24. 1 times 24 is 24. And negative 24 and a positive 24 is 0. So we're getting 8x squared plus 16x minus 24. However, because we divided by 4 in this problem, we're then going to be able to factor out of this problem. So we're going to factor out here a solution, and we're going to factor out the 4, and we're getting 2x squared plus 4x minus 6. And the reason is because up here is where we were dividing by 4. So now we're going to take each one of the factors in 8x squared plus 16x minus 24 and divide them by 4 also. So we're taking 6x squared minus x minus 9 and dividing by 3x minus 5. Take the denominator and set it equal to 0. So I have 3x equals 5. X is equal to 5/3 as a root or a solution. The coefficients are 6, -1, and -9. Bring down the 6. 5/3 times 6, 3 goes into 6 2 times, and 2 times 5 is 10. 10 and -1 is 9. 3 goes into 9. 3 times 5 is 15. -9 and 15 is 6. So we're getting as a solution 6x plus 9, and then a remainder of 6 over the divisor of 3x minus 5. By synthetic division, I'm taking the divisor, x minus 3, set it equal to 0, has a root of 3. So 3 is the divisor. Now I'm writing down the coefficients of each term. So 4 for the x to the 4th, but we don't have any x to the 3rd, so I have to represent that by 0. Then we have a -4 for the x squared term, 5 for the x term, and 0 for the constant. Bring down the 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 0 plus 12 is 12. 3 times 12 is 36. 36 and -4 is 32. 32 times 3 is 96. 96 and 5 is 101. 101 times 3 is 303. So our answer then is 4x to the 3rd plus 12x squared plus 32x plus 101, and then the remainder of 303 divided by x minus 3.